If you're trying to get into the Lakota School District in Westchester, Ohio, it might be difficult to buy a resale home. In this video, we're going to look at new construction in Westchester, Ohio that also offers a low maintenance lifestyle. Let's check it out. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Eric Sztanyo from Keller Williams Realty and Team Sztanyo.com, where we are helping you find your home and strengthen your family. If this is your first time to the channel, thank you so much for watching. Welcome to the Sztanyo Clanyo. We're the largest YouTube channel. We're bringing you all kinds of real estate content around the Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky area. If you'd like to, hit that subscribe button and join the Sztanyo Clanyo. All right guys, recently I was out in Westchester, Ohio with some of you who contacted me moving here from California, and we were touring Westchester, Mason. We actually ended up looking a little bit further north at the developments in Shaker Run up in Lebanon, Ohio. But while we were there in Westchester, we got to check out this latest development by Fischer Homes called Westfall Preserve. Now this is a new community that kind of sits back in an existing development, but they're opening up some new patio homes. Let's check it out. Welcome to Westfall Preserve. Fischer Homes is showcasing the patio homes collection in Westchester, Ohio at Westfall Preserve. This new community is situated in a nature-inspired setting with a wealth of natural conservation. Enjoy a low-maintenance lifestyle with yard work taken care of for you, and choose from several ranch-style designs with open floor plans and bonus living spaces. Westfall Preserve is conveniently located close to I-75, and downtown Cincinnati is approximately 35 minutes away. An abundance of shopping and dining can be found on Princeton-Glendale Road, Union Center Boulevard, Liberty Center, and downtown Hamilton. Nearby recreation options include parks, golf courses, and a connection to the cross-state Miami-Erie Canal bike path. A lot of people I know are trying to get into the Westchester location. There's just a lot of fun things to do there. There's the IKEA store, there's Top Golf, there's a lot of shopping and restaurants. It's a great place to live if you're looking to move into the Cincinnati area. Westfall Preserve is in the Lakota Local School District, which includes Creekside Early Childhood School, Endeavor Elementary School, Plains Junior High School, and Lakota West High School. And we've done multiple videos on the patio homes from Fischer Homes and why people like them so much. The yard work is taken care of. The snow removal is taken care of for you. They're nice ranch homes. In Westfall Preserve, they're starting in the 400s. We were able to check out the Wilmington, which is the model there in Westfall Preserve. Let's take a look at it a little bit closer. The Wilmington is one of Fischer Homes' most popular patio home designs. The home features a generous kitchen and dining room that opens to the great room. Add a two-sided fireplace to add division to the spaces. A covered patio is included beyond the great room. The private master retreat features a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. A second bathroom and study/optional third bedroom are also included in the Wilmington. You can also add an optional loft or finished basement to complete the home. The Wilmington patio home by Fischer Homes starts at $433,900. So guys, I've said it before and I will say it again. If you are looking for new construction, I strongly recommend you reach out to a buyer's agent, someone to get representation on your side as you're going through the new construction process. Now, not every builder does this, but Fischer Homes is one of the builders locally who will pay for the commission for the buyer's agent, someone like us here at Team Sztanyo. So it doesn't cost you a thing. It doesn't add to the home price of your house. You get representation on your side, someone to walk you through thinking through resale. Instead of just walking into the model home blind where you're representing yourself, you can have an agent come alongside with you, a professional who knows the market, who can talk to you about resale, who can talk to you about pricing, who can help you look over the contracts. With Team Sztanyo, we're gonna work with you and give you our contract to close coordinator all the way through the finish line until you close on your home. So we're always gonna be there for you along the way. Now, one question I continually get from buyers who are looking to do new construction is, okay, the base price is at $434,000. What's my final price gonna be? That's a great question. Obviously, it depends a lot on what you do with the home. Are you gonna get the basement finished? Are you gonna do this third bedroom? Are you gonna have the loft on this patio home? But certainly you can expect some increase in pricing from that base price. It depends on where your budget is. It depends on your taste. Remember, as you're going through these model homes, they're showing you kind of the best of the best. So you might see things that you think are standard, but they're not. Now remember, all the builders are trying to showcase their best products. So when you walk through these model homes, you're like, oh, I definitely want that. Just remember, you gotta price that in on top of the base price. Now again, it depends on what you do, but when I'm talking to the representatives from Fischer or Dries or other builders, it's probably safe to say you could add somewhere between 10 to 20% when it comes to the structural component upgrades you're doing, as well as any design upgrades you're making. Certainly you could go higher than that 20%, but that's maybe a good line in your mind to budget for. So with a home like this that starts at $434,000, you can probably think in your mind, okay, depending on the upgrades I get, I might be adding another $40,000 to $80,000 to the overall final purchase price of this house. Now, if you decide you want to move forward with a new construction house, at least with Fischer Homes, how it works is you're going to have a meeting with their sales counselor. It's going to be either in person or you could do it on Zoom, online, and they're going to walk through all the different elements you can choose from a pricing standpoint, and you can say, yes, I want this upgrade, no, I don't want that upgrade, and you're going to have that final price locked in before you sign any papers. I've had clients reach out and ask me, hey, can that price change once I lock it in? And the answer really is no. So in some areas around the country, I've heard that you lock in a price, but if materials go up, your price changes. That's not the case with Fischer Homes. Once you lock in the price of the base price and whatever upgrades you want in the house, that number is locked in until the day of closing. And the nice thing about that is you can begin accumulating appreciation on the price of that house really when you sign the papers. It's not uncommon for me to see clients that by the time they close on their house, they actually have equity already built into the house from when they bought it 7 to 9 months ago. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful as you got to look a little bit at the Westfall Preserve and some of these patio homes available from Fischer Homes in West Chester, Ohio. As always, if you'd like us to represent you with your sale, give us a call at Team Sztanyo, 513-813-6293, or you can email me directly at eric.stanyo@kw.com. Myself or my team will get back to you right away. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.